How to track your orders on Temu. Hey everyone, welcome back to next video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can track our orders on Temu app. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to track our orders on Temu, first of all, you need to download the Temu application on your device and then log in into your app when you launched it. After launching, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen after you logged in. So in order to look up what orders you have done, you just need to navigate to this use section here. When you tap on here, you'll be able to see this your order section very easily. Just tap on that option and it will take you to another page. Before that, you may just verify yourself. It may ask you for verification, and after you are verified, it will take you to another page. I'm just gonna tap on this your order, and here you can see all of your orders here. So you can see here, let me just get back here. So as you can see your orders, all of the orders here. So you can see processing is shipped. So if you want to look up at individually, you can see your processing orders under processing, shipped under shipped, delivered under delivered, and returned orders under return. And if you want to look up for everything at once, just go to all orders and you should be able to see all of your orders very easily. Or you may just go to self-service to find order and go on with the process, and you should be finding all of your orders very easily on the Temu application. So just follow the steps and you should be able to find your orders. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.